no heat. Customer called yesterday evening, said that the furnace just died on her and she didn't have any heat. I told her we're gonna stop by in the morning and check what's going on. So let's take a look. We got the 1.4 error, which is ignition lockout. Shut the power and restart the unit. She replaced the filter yesterday. Unit is from 1999. Wow, I'm gonna check the heat exchanger over there. That is cracked. I smell gas. Found the problem. Our igniter, it's crashed. Continuity, or we're gonna arm it out. So I do the continuity test first. Nothing. And then I set it to ohms. And this one should read between 40 to 100 ohms. And if there's an OL, we got a bad igniter. Didn't glow orange. Okay. Let's check that heat exchanger. So I flashed the light inside to see for any visible cracks. And to be honest, I don't see anything. Doesn't seem to be cracked. But so many of these carrier furnaces from this age, I found cracked heat exchangers already. But this one seems normal. So I'm gonna offer to change the igniter. Here is the difference. Gotta be very careful because this ceramic cracks very easily. Don't want to crack the new one. Alright, so we are restarting the unit. The blower kicked on, so let's see, it should start. So while I replace some part, after I run the furnace for about 10 minutes to make sure it's gonna run at that short cycle, make sure everything's running as it should. We're gonna place our sticker, of course. So the humidifier gonna be open. Let's check that. Oh, filter's still okay. Oh wow, that Ignitor's noisy. Do 10 minutes and we'll see if it works and doesn't stop or anything pops up. Alright, so our 10 minutes test is done. The furnace ran, didn't short cycle, didn't stop, everything was fine, so we can shut it off on the thermostat and I'll proceed to the next one. Alright, so that igniter was replaced, the unit is back up and running. She asked for a quote on the new equipment just because her unit is so old, but she wasn't ready to go ahead and replace it just because she's still financing her downstairs HVAC system, furnace and AC that we installed, I believe it was last summer. Oh, the summer before, yeah. So she said once I pay that off, I'm more likely to get a new furnace for upstairs. So yeah, I'll give her a price when the time comes, but she wanted us to stop by and check her AC unit in the summer. So we'll see how that goes. Yeah, guys, if you found the video interesting, hit a like button. Please comment any criticism or advice and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.